Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to clear quick access history in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To clear your quick access file history, open File Explorer. On the top menu bar, click on the three dots. Select Options. To clear all recent file history, simply click the Clear button. If you want to stop showing certain items in quick access, Show recently used files. Uncheck this option if you don't want recently opened files to appear. Show frequently used folders. Uncheck this to hide frequently used folders. Show files from office.com. Uncheck this if you don't want OneDrive or office.com files to appear. Once done, click Apply and then OK. That's it. Your quick access history is now cleared. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and take care.